Hi, welcome to Psychology Department. I am Dr. Reshmi, HOD, Department of Psychology. So here we try to equip all students who are passionate about psychology to enrich them in the field of mental health.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Selvi Kumari. I am a consultant clinical psychologist with MS Chelamuthu Trust and Research Foundation and Ahana Hospitals, Madurai. And I'm so glad that Manikam Ramaswami College of Arts and Science has come up with one of the most interesting, fascinating course and something which is the need of the hour, which is a course on BSc in Psychology program.
Hi, I'm Shana from the Department of Psychology. We have a unique environment which facilitates experiential learning for the basic concepts in psychology. We are helping to re-explore ourselves and to redefine our potential to maximum and thereby becoming an efficient psychologist in the future.
There is a reason why I call it a course which is need of the hour and important because of the magnitude of the mental health problems which is rampant in the current scenario. Did you know that mental health problems has been termed as the next pandemic after COVID? 1 out of 7 people suffer from some psychological or mental health problem. Problem is so huge, the human resources available to tackle this issue is very few.
Who can pursue BSc Psychology, BSc Visual Communication, BSc Costume Designing and Fashion Technology? Whoever has completed a +2 from Commerce, Biomath, Computer Science and Vocational group is eligible for these courses.
Hi, I'm Madhilakya from the Department of Psychology. We are a bunch of students molded by expert teaching faculties, helping us to have profound understanding and intellectual exploration to grow as global leaders.
Let me come on to some of the key highlights of the BSc Psychology program offered by Manikam Ramaswami College of Arts and Science. The program here has a great sandwich of both theoretical as well as practical exposures. It has a good combination of subjects such as psychopathology, counseling and therapy, organization behavior, marketing and consumer research. So this combination is something which is not often seen in the courses offered. So that way it's a great combination that it offers.
Equipping the students to be leaders in the field of psychology by pursuing their courses in clinical psychology, HR and sports psychology.
By the first semester, we have conducted psychology exhibition and tea and talk session with other department students to spread the awareness on mental health. This has helped us to have hands-on experience to handle real-life situations.
Practical exposures in the form of field visits, rehabilitation exposures, interaction with patients, a lot of trainings, workshops and seminars that is offered in the field of mental health. The college would be partnering with Chelamuthu Trust in this regard. And don't miss this opportunity to be part of a very exclusive fraternity of mental health professionals who are here to help handle a global pandemic such as the mental health problems. Thank you very much.
So let us have a beautiful life in MRCAS. Welcome all. Thank you.